If the finals crashes with unhandled exception accessos violation, don't worry. This error usually happens because of driver issues, corrupted game files, or background software conflicts. Let's fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. This clears memory conflicts that can trigger access violation crashes. Next, update your graphics drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA or AMD drivers from the official website. Outdated or unstable drivers are the most common cause of this error. Now verify the game files. If you're using Steam, right-click the Finals, Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. This replaces any missing or corrupted files. After that, disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, NVIDIA Shadow Play, MSI Afterburner, and any FPS or monitoring tools. These often conflict with Unreal Engine games. Also, run the game as administrator. Right-click the game executable and choose Run as administrator to avoid permission-related crashes. If the issue continues, reset overclocks. Return CPU, GPU, and RAM to default settings. Overclocking can cause access violations. Finally, update Windows fully and restart your PC. In most cases, these steps fix the crash and let the finals run smoothly again.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.